Samsung is taking a bold step into the future. While the Galaxy S25 series has been making headlines, there's something even bigger on the horizon. Samsung's most ambitious and premium flagship device yet. After years of development, it's finally happening, the Samsung Galaxy G. But that's not all. Alongside the Galaxy G, we're also getting the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and Samsung is gearing up to release one of its most crucial phones of the year. Let's break it all down. Starting with the Galaxy G, this is going to be Samsung's first ever tri-folding smartphone, and thanks to Rossignol, we now have real leaks confirming its existence. According to sources, the Galaxy G will feature a massive 10-inch display when fully unfolded. But when you fold it down, the cover display will be around 6.49 inches, just the right size for a regular smartphone experience. Now, you might remember that Samsung showcased a tri-folding device concept at MWC about 2 years ago. While that was just a prototype, the final version of the Galaxy G is expected to come with thinner bezels, a stronger hinge, and an almost invisible crease. Essentially, this device is pushing the boundaries of what a foldable phone can do. Imagine the possibilities with such a large screen. The multitasking experience is set to reach a whole new level. Picture this. On one side, you have your gallery app displaying all your photos, while the main image expands on the other side. But that's not all. You can divide the screen into 3 sections, each running a different app. You could have your home screen on one panel, YouTube in the center, and related videos on the far right. And thanks to this multi-screen setup, even the camera experience is going to be completely different. Samsung has been making huge strides in software, and with One UI 7 already proving its capabilities, you can bet that the Galaxy G will get the most optimized software experience yet. The company will make sure that this unique form factor is fully utilized to enhance productivity, entertainment, and creativity. That being said, the Galaxy G isn't going to be for everyone. It's an ultra-premium device, and early reports suggest it could be priced at over $2,500. On top of that, Samsung is reportedly planning a limited initial release with only 200,000 units available at launch. It's great to see Samsung taking risks again, pushing the limits of smartphone innovation. What do you guys think about the Galaxy G? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Moving on, Samsung is also bringing some long-awaited design changes to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. For years, fans have been asking for improvements, and it looks like Samsung is finally delivering. The display specs will be similar to the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, but with a major upgrade, the strongest hinge yet, leading to an almost crease-free display. That alone is a big deal, but Samsung isn't stopping there. The Z Fold 7 is also expected to feature a 2 all-in with innovation this year. The Galaxy G, the company's first tri-fold smartphone, is finally happening. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is getting a game-changing upgrade with a better hinge and a powerful camera. And the Galaxy F56 is bringing premium features to the mid-range segment with Galaxy AI and top-tier performance. It's an exciting time to be a Samsung fan, and I can't wait to see how these devices turn out. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.